12 life-changing hacks for a better you. In the pursuit of a healthier, more balanced life, simple yet profound changes can make a significant impact. Here are 12 life-changing hacks that can help you become a better version of yourself. 1. Sleep on the floor. Sleeping on the floor may seem unconventional, but it can improve posture, reduce back pain, and enhance overall sleep quality. It encourages natural alignment of the spine, which is often disrupted by soft mattresses. 2. Ditch the pillow. Sleeping without a pillow can also aid in maintaining proper spinal alignment. It helps reduce neck and shoulder pain, leading to a more restful sleep and a refreshed morning. 3. Wear natural fibers. Clothing made from natural fibers like cotton, wool, and linen allows your skin to breathe and reduces exposure to synthetic chemicals. These materials are also often more comfortable and sustainable. 4. Start your day with water. Hydrate first thing in the morning to kickstart your metabolism and flush out toxins. Drinking a glass of water upon waking helps rehydrate your body after hours of sleep and prepares your digestive system for the day. 5. Focus on your breathing for 2 minutes daily. Taking just 2 minutes each day to focus on your breathing can significantly reduce stress and increase mindfulness. Deep, intentional breaths calm the nervous system and enhance mental clarity. 6. Use wired headphones. Wired headphones can provide better sound quality and reduce exposure to radiation compared to wireless ones. They also eliminate the need for constant charging, making them more convenient for daily use. 7. Eat 2 meals a day. Adopting an eating schedule of 2 meals a day can improve digestion and increase energy levels. This approach, often aligned with intermittent fasting, allows your body ample time to process food and burn fat more effectively. 8. Skip dinner if possible. Skipping dinner or having a light meal in the evening can enhance digestion and improve sleep quality. It helps your body enter a fasting state earlier, promoting better metabolic health. 9. Eat dinner early. When dinner is necessary, aim to eat it early. Eating early allows your body to digest food before bedtime, reducing the risk of acid reflux and promoting better sleep. 10. Focus on natural flavors. Enhance your meals by focusing on natural flavors rather than relying on artificial additives. Fresh herbs, spices, and whole foods provide richer tastes and better nutrition. 11. Prioritize movement. Incorporate more physical activity into your daily routine. Whether it's a walk, yoga, or a quick workout, regular movement keeps your body healthy and boosts your mood. 12. Practice gratitude. Taking a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for can improve mental well-being. Gratitude practices increase happiness and foster a positive outlook on life. By integrating these simple yet effective hacks into your daily routine, you can create a foundation for lasting health and wellness.